Intricacies of P and F. Poem number 1. There was once a vagabond in Feni. Poor fellow, didn't even have a penny. Stones that kids would pelt would hit him that he sadly felt. So he vanished, dressed up as a granny. Poem number 2. A little boy was sitting on a fence, happily twirling his solitary pence. He saw a bird appear that made him fear. Poem number 2. A little boy was sitting on a fence, happily twirling his solitary pence. He saw a bird appear that made him fear about an appalling consequences. Poem number 3. Miss Marple was so proud of her furniture that she had them strewn with flour. Her little pet did a pea. What a playful perfidy. Poor lady had to put the prankster in a freezer. Peter said to his pal, "Let's play water polo." Promptly replied Paul, "Let us then follow the rule of the pool without acting like a fool, or else coach's pill will be hard to swallow."